Berg Aero are fierce champions for deliberate officer development. We accomplish this by integrating realistic, hands-on air power experiences into officer education and training. Our team of U.S. military veterans brings a depth of wartime operational experience, a passion for leadership development, and a deep knowledge of air power. Cadets join commissioning programs like Air Force ROTC because they love the idea of participating in air and space operations, but resource limitations often make that impossible until well after commissioning. We solve this problem by traveling to you with a ready-made yet flexible curriculum. This program teaches cadets leadership through understanding airmanship, military capabilities, operational planning, teamwork, communication, and decision-making. These skills and attributes meet Department of Air Force pre-commissioning requirements. The foundation of our curriculum is cadets flying small unmanned aircraft systems, commonly called drones, to achieve air power effects in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, also called ISR. While smaller in scale than larger remotely piloted aircraft, their effects are just as impactful. First, we lay the groundwork through a series of academic lessons customized to your requirements. The lessons can be live, virtual, synchronous, or asynchronous. Our topics include basic airmanship, situational awareness, communications, airspace, weather, ISR, and drone tactics, techniques, and procedures. Then, we use experiential, in-the-field learning to cement the desired learning objectives. We deliver course material using live and virtual methods within an immersive modern conflict scenario. Students represent special warfare teams consisting of a special tactics officer, an intelligence analyst airman, and special reconnaissance airmen. They plan ISR missions, fly the drones, collect data, interpret intelligence, and finally debrief the mission to improve future performance. The cadets receive a real operational mission experience. Our team will inspire and motivate your cadets to seek a career in the U.S. Air or Space Forces. Let Berg Aero help you develop your cadets into talented and capable officers by providing an early leadership experience in the world of air and space power.